Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. My return is thank you and God bless you. In today's video, we are going to be making avocado salad. So those are the ingredients I'm going to use to make this avocado salad. It's a rich salad and it's healthy salad. So I have all the ingredients here. Let me introduce you one by one. In here I have cabbage. I'm not going to be using the full cabbage. I'm going to use some. I have a cucumber here. I'm going to be using half of the cucumber. And I have 3 eggs. I have 2 avocado here. This is corn. I have oil de oliva, extra virgin. I have lemon juice. And I have some mayonnaise. Here we have salt to give the salad a little bit taste. I have black pepper and salt here. So let's get into the video, guys. And tomatoes, I forgot to introduce tomatoes, but you will see tomatoes later. And this is the bowl I'm going to be using, and later when I finish, I'm going to be transferring everything here. So now I should remove this and have my bowl in here. So let's get started. Okay, in here, first of all, we have to mix everything you see here, what I showed you before. First of all, we have to mix everything. Here, in here, we have oil, extra virgin, oil, the olive. Now we'll be adding my lemon juice here. And here is the pepper sauce, black pepper and salt here. So, we need to combine everything together. To give it the flavor I really want. So I'm going to combine everything together. Okay, as you can see, it's already mixed. Now I will keep this aside. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to be cutting half of this, just a little. I'm going to take. Feel free to use any cabbage of your choice. I'm free to use this. Sometimes I use the other one. So in today's video, I will be using this. So now I will cut. I have to slice it. Okay, this is the one I used with me. So in here now we have to add all the one I cut here. Now we'll be cutting cucumber, but I'm going to be using half of it. I'll be using this and I'll keep this. It's properly washed. Okay, the cucumber is already sliced. Now I'll be having everything here in here. Here now I want to cut the avocado. cutting it and slice everything inside. Sorry guys. So let's put the salad here. So add the avocado inside. I'm going to be using one. I'm going to finish everything I showed you before. I'm going to use one and I'm going to leave this aside because I wouldn't want the salad to be too much because I don't want it to remain. So because of this, I will leave one aside. Okay, the next thing I'll be adding is corn. The next ingredient is tomatoes. Let's mix everything together to combine everything together so that they can really come out the way I want it. Okay, the next ingredient we are going to be adding, the next is egg. Feel free to use any one of your choice. If you feel to put it, it's okay. If you don't feel, you can make it the way it pleases you. Okay. So now we mix as well.
This is champagne, aka DPO.
The next thing we'll be having now is all the ingredients I showed you before that I mixed together. I will be having it on it. Some people use vinegar. Feel free to use any one of your choice, the way you prefer it. So this is the last ingredient I'm adding. Now we mix it together and I'll come back and tell you how it came out, guys. Let's mix it together. How to mix it very well so that it will combine the way I want it, the choice I wanted it to be. So I will continue mixing it until everything is combined. Okay, it's thoroughly mixed. Now I'll be adding it for my plate, the bowl I want. Okay, this is the plate I want to mix everything. Everything already mixed. Okay, my avocado salad is ready. How did you see it, guys? This is very yummy and it's very healthy salad. Try this recipe, you will enjoy it. Thank you for today's video and see you for my next video. Please don't forget to also click on my second channel, which is Golden Lady TV. You will love what you will see there. Thank you and see you for my next video. Bye bye.